जमील साहब ने कहा कि डेफ से शॉप में वो ईद के बाद एडमिशन लेंगे, ठीक है। क्या अलनाफे उनको यूरोप की या किसी कंट्री में वीजा स्पॉन्सर करेगा? इसमें एक चीज मैं रिमाइंड करा दूं, ईद तक हमारा एक बहुत रोबस्ट डिस्काउंट है, वो खत्म हो जाएगा। रमजान आखिरी दिन तक है 25% का। अगर ईद के बाद इनका प्रोग्राम है तो वो इसको अवेल नहीं कर सकते।
हाँ, 25% डिस्काउंट तुमको नहीं मिलेगा, वट एवर द केसेस। अच्छा देखिए, आ, एक चीज क्लेरिफाई कर दें कि वी ओनली हेल्प यू इफ यू मीट ऑल द अल रज़ाक रिक्वायरमेंट्स, ठीक है ना। अल रज़ाक की स्पेशली रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं जो आपने पूरी करनी है। अगर आपने अल रज़ाक की सारी रिक्वायरमेंट्स पूरी कर ली, वी विल हेल्प यू प्लेस ऑन अ जॉब। You do not dictate to us where do you want to go. Our goal is to place you on the job. That's it. The job, if you are doing DevOps, the job will be around 100 to 150,000. ठीक है ना? If you're doing DevSecOps, 150 to 180,000 इस तरह तुम हिट कर सकते हो. If you're doing AI Ops, तो 2 लाख 2.5 लाख से लेकर upward, right? Depending on which country you are in. If you're in Pakistan, that's what you can earn. If you're in India, similar, that's what you can earn. If you're like in Middle East, it's a separate story, right? Because you're paid in reals or in dirhams or whatever the case is, right? It's a separate story. So the your value is dictated by basically the market demands, right? That's one thing. We will only help you as per your visa status, wherever you are. We cannot sponsor you for any jobs. We can only assist you connecting with the employers. We can assist you in your student visa, yes. We can assist you in your immigration assistance, yes. We can do that. We can assist you in placing you on the job, yes, depending on where you are. So if you are in Pakistan or India, you will get the job there. If you say, yes, I am working here, but I am also looking for a remote job, then we can try to get you on a remote job as well. But we cannot help you with the visa, like getting the visa for a foreign country, because that is not in our hands. I cannot lie to you because this is haram in Islam. Visa is in the hands of the person who is giving you the visa, the embassy, and the ultimate hand is of Allah, right? So wherever Allah has written your destination, this is where you will end up, whether you're Muslim or non-Muslim, whatever the case is, right? So keep this in mind. We can only assist you and guide you in terms of making sure that you get there. But what happens there from then onwards, it's up to between you and the employer, because we can't influence. This is not something we do. However, we can assist you. हम आपको गाइड कर सकते हैं वीज़ा, इमिग्रेशन के डॉक्यूमेंट्स कंप्लीट करने में, सब चीज़ें कंप्लीट करने में। अगर उसने आपको बुला लिया तो हम आपकी तमाम चीज़ों की डॉक्यूमेंट चेक कर लिए, सब कुछ कर लिया, वो कर सकते हैं। ये हम आपके लिए कर सकते हैं। मगर ये बोलना कि मैं यहाँ बैठा हूँ और आप मुझे बाहर लेके जाओ, नहीं, दिस इज़ रॉन्ग। दिस इज़ नॉट इन अवर हैंड्स। हाँ, हमारा कॉलेज बाहर खुल रहा है, वीज़ा लेना है, लेटर ले लो, वीज़े के लिए जाना पड़ेगा तुमको। तुम्हें हमने बाहर प्लेस किया, रिमोट जॉब कर रहे थे, दे ऑफर्ड यू लाइक अ वर्क परमिट सो दैट यू कैन मूव ओवर देयर, you have to go to the embassy, not to us, right? We can check your documentation. This is part of Al Razak. You have to, but first you have to meet all the requirements of Al Razak, right? Complete all the courses, passed number one requirements of Al Razak, passed all the exams of EduQual Part 1. Okay? LinkedIn courses, you have to attend 10 classes. Third requirement, you have to take the communication course. Fourth requirement, you have to complete all the core courses, 85%. Fifth requirement, complete all the internship questions, HR questions, EQ questions. Okay. Sixth requirement, you have to start doing the labs, all the labs. Seventh requirement, complete the part 2 of the exam as well. If you meet all of these requirements, and then there's some more like writing blogs and whatever the case is, you complete all of them, you're done, then we can place you on the job. It can be remote, it can be on site. We are working. There is a possibility you may go end up like working in a European country. I cannot promise you until it is done. There are ways, there are certain things. When I was in Pakistan, a guy, one of my friend, he connected me with a Finnish guy. And this guy was in Finland. And he said, if your students pay us, something like 15,000 euro or something, we can give them a work permit for 3 years. I said, okay. So what can they do on this work permit? They said they can do anything they like. but that guy was asking for a lot of money, right? So there are people like that who does all of those things, but I realized that I can do the same thing without 10,000 or 15,000 euro, whatever he's charging, by directly connecting with the Finnish government. So we are doing all of those things by directly connecting with all these different government agencies and tell them, like, if you are looking for talent, we can connect you with the talent and you can assess them, evaluate them. If they meet your requirements, then you can give them the visa. अगर तुम्हारी रिक्वायरमेंट से पूरा उतरते तो हमको वीजा दे दो, ठीक है ना? रिक्वायरमेंट पहली क्या है? तुम्हारे पास क्वालिफिकेशन होनी चाहिए जो रिकग्नाइज हो। RQF 6 जो है, जो लेवल 6 है, वो EQF लेवल 6 के बराबर, यूरोपियन क्वालिफिकेशन फ्रेमवर्क। यू हैव मेट द रिक्वायरमेंट, तुम जा सकते हो, बट यू हैव टू मीट दोज रिक्वायरमेंट्स। पहले रिक्वायरमेंट्स मीट करो, देन वी कैन हेल्प यू, बट पहले रिक्वायरमेंट्स मीट करो। बट ये कहना कि आप मुझे जॉब में मुझे जाके वीजा मिल लगा, देखो मैं तुम्हें रिकमेंड भी कर दूं, मगर वीजा देना उनके हाथ में, मेरे हाथ में नहीं है। दिस इज नॉट समथिंग आई कैन डू।